Hey all, welcome back to another edition of Azure Every Day. I'm Chris Ciferlo, Senior Principal Architect over here at Pragmatic Works. And today I'm going to talk about how Azure Stream Analytics is starting to evolve and they're starting to add more features. So the one today that I'm going to talk about is the ability to do some local testing within Visual Studio to, query logic with live data without needing to run in the cloud. Just as a quick reminder, Azure Stream Analytics is a fully managed cloud solution in Azure that allows you to rapidly develop and deploy low-cost solutions to gain real-time insights from devices, sensors, infrastructure, and applications. Stream Analytics is part of the Azure IoT suite, which brings IoT to life and lets you easily connect your devices, analyzing previously untapped data and integrate business systems, right? We're starting to really expand on this IoT workspace because it offers so much capability and information for things like production floors and jet engines and automobiles and all kinds of stuff, right? So with this enhancement, you can test your queries locally while using live data streams from the cloud sources, such as Event Hubs, IoT Hub, or Blob storage. And you can even use the Stream Analytics time policies to be able to start and stop queries in a matter of seconds, right? This is a big improvement in the development productivity because you can save a lot of time on the inner loop of query logic testing, okay? The major benefits here are the query behavior consistency so that you get the same experience that you're using when you're using Visual Studio or the cloud interface, and you have much shorter test cycles, right? So there can be a lag in cloud development, and so now testing queries directly in Visual Studio in your local environment presents the opportunity to show the shape of the data coming in, and this helps you to easily adjust the query and see some immediate results, whereas you would experience or expect a lag when you're developing it on the cloud interface. Okay. Now there's a couple of caveats when we talk about this deployment and this new feature, right? The local testing feature should only be used for functional testing purposes, right? It's testing we're talking about. It doesn't replace the performance or the scalability tests that you would do inside the cloud, and it really shouldn't be used for production purposes since it doesn't guarantee any kind of SLA, right? And then also, when you're on your machine, you can rely on local resources, right? But when you deploy to the cloud, you can scale out to multiple nodes. So it's going to allow you to, add more streams and additional resources in order to process those. Additionally, cloud deployment ensures that things like checkpointing and upgrades and some of those other features that you really need for production deployments, and it also provides the infrastructure to run your job 24/7. So remember, this is just for testing purposes and to help shorten the query and development lifecycle, because you can have some lag in those cloud testing and development tools. So it's pretty cool. You can see that there's more and more features. If you've got any questions about this technology, Azure Streaming Analytics or Azure or data, we're here for you. So click the link below or give us a call and we're happy to help out. Otherwise, thanks for listening and have a great day.